Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix issue where your Anydesk address is not showing. Let's get started. Anydesk requires a stable internet connection to generate your address. If your internet is slow or disconnected, your Anydesk address may not appear. Ensure you're connected to a reliable network. If your internet is fine but the issue persists, close Anydesk completely and reopen it. Make sure it's not running in the background before reopening. If restarting Anydesk doesn't work, try restarting your computer. This helps reset any background process that might be causing the issue. Sometimes security software may block Anydesk from generating an address. If none of the previous steps work, uninstall Anydesk and download the latest version from official website. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more videos. See you in the next one.